kry hierdie is the Jaguar in the Jungle drill. The main purpose of this drill is to identify where the defenders are, to identify attacking space.
No, we did it.
Yes, you did do it. Here it is. Okay, Yannick. How's your reaction time? Are you taking long to sprint?
No.
Look here, I'm going to show you again. How long does it take you to start running full out? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, fast. So your reaction is a little bit slow. You did identify the space, but your reaction is a little bit slow. Okay? Oops, on the ground. Go, 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 go. You see you're not running full out.
Yes.
Okay.
En ek het hardloop vandag.
Okay, let's see. The next one was the, let's see, it's the final, this was the game simulation, and we wanted to stay with the ball, stay with play. Okay, I'm going to cut out a little bit. Let's see if you stayed with your brother. Okay, Juan, did you go with your brother? Did you go with your brother? No, you didn't. Okay.
Because I was too fast.
Yes, you were very fast. Okay. Yannick, did you go with your brother?
Yes.
You stayed with him. So well done. Stay with the play. Okay. Again.
See, I'm...
Stay with the ball.
Stay
Stay with the play. Juan, did you come with the play?
No,
Okay.
because
There you come. There you come with the ball. Okay.
I handled.
Ja, baie mooi.
Dan maak wat was dus... Die nog gaan
Yeah, you're taking too long. Yeah, I agree. You're taking too long. Ah, there you stayed with the flow of the play. And then Yannick, did you stay with the flow? Huh?
No.
Okay. So we want to stay with the flow of the game.
Yes, look.
Mooi. And then the last one
Oh, yes.
is the banana drill.
Oh, yes, I did.
That was a difficult one, eh?
Yes.
This was the last drill, and it was by far the most difficult. So we wanted to keep the guy from running around, forcing him to the inside. Let's
En hierdie
see.
drill het Jannik my geskop.
Yeah. Hey, he did kick you.
Because I was too fast and I didn't see it and
Okay, look. Let's see if you forced him inside. Okay, first he caught the ball miss. But then we went. Okay. Let's see if you forced him in. Oh, okay. That's what we wanted. We wanted to force him in that he doesn't round you. So that was done correctly. Okay, one for Juan. Let's see, Juan, how did you react? Did you go up to the side or to the front, Juan? On a 45. You see, we want to go almost, we don't want to go forward, we want to go sideways. You see, then he just rounds you. Okay?
Dit my geskop.
En toe het hy geskop. Okay. So let's recap.
Dis die last one.
Yeah. So for this drill,
Yes.
we wanted to go up sideways. Did we go up sideways?
Me did.
Yeah. Yannick, you did. Juan, you went up forward, eh? So remember, when he wants to round you, you want to go to the side. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's go to the back. Juan, Yannick, kom terug. Ons is amper klaar. First drill, Santa drill. Reaction time. Let's have a summary of all our stuff. Reaction and effort.
Oh yeah.
We had effort, but we can work quicker. Okay?
Okay.
Lion and buffalo, kick-off reception.
Doei.
Quicker towards the ball. Next one.
Oh, me dad.
Okay. Just to recap on the complete session.
Yes.
Juan, how did you feel when you did the session? How did you feel when you did the lion and buffalo drill?
Not good.
Why not? What upset you?
I upset van the run.
Too much running.
Yes. I like too much run.
Okay, so jy go van hardloop.
Oh yeah. Ek hou nie van te veel hardloop.
That's right. And then with the game simulation, when we played Eye of a Tiger, did you enjoy it? Do you want me to play more music while doing training sessions?
Yes.
You enjoyed it. Did you enjoy the session?
Oh yeah. I like it. The song
of the song made me to faster.
Okay, so the song made you run faster. Okay, that's good to know.
The song.
And then just with the last one, the banana drill, you need to go up how? Forward or sideways?
Sideways.
Juan, and you?
Forward.
Sideways.
Sideways.
Okay. So well done on the drills. I think you were very enthusiastic. I enjoyed training with you guys, and we really had fun. Hey, did you have fun?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay.
Today started.